But I couldn't help but notice that since BHP hit that high back on a few weeks ago at 54.55 and down to the 35.77 low, which was about almost a 35% move lower, which is pretty significant. But it stopped almost exactly at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement of the entire move from 2020 low at 24.05 to that 55 top, which comes in at 35.70. So, you know, I mean, if we're talking about inflation and we're talking, as we said, the CPI today, and we're talking about, some people can talk about the possibility of stagflation out there. Usually industrial metals do okay, and precious and industrial metals do okay. So if you were thinking of buying BHP, or you're worried about where it is now, it hit a very important support level and held, and it's moved sideways since. So it's not screaming buy, but from a trading point of view, if you were to buy it here with a pretty tight stop below that 61.8 Fibonacci at 35.70, the risk is pretty small, and the potential reward is pretty good. And if we go to the next chart, chart on BHP, let me put it up here now myself. Okay, so this is a daily BHP chart. If the share price was to appreciate, it will have to clear that 50-day moving average, which comes in around 40 in the next few weeks. Otherwise, it risks another swing lower towards that Fibonacci level. So I would want some confirmation. If I was to put my toe in the water on this one, I would feel a bit more confident about it, about adding to it, or feeling confident about sleeping on it if it broke above that 50-day moving average. And that certainly would add confidence that a very important Fibonacci level isn't truly a short-term bottom in place, at least.